Hey cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free any equal also play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is a Ipsy haul try-on. I ordered some few products from Ipsy's shop that had a huge good discount on some products, and some of them are, there's a couple, maybe one product that is brand new to me. It is the brand Ace Beauty, and I have some other products I cannot wait to show you. I'm actually trying out Ace Beauty for the very first time, and I'm so excited to try this out. So I will of course put all the products I've used in this video down below in the description. So I'm trying out the Scarlet Dusk one. They have this one in their shop, and they have the other ones too. I wanted this one because I like the color. I like all the colors that Ace Beauty had come up with, and I really like those shades, but you know, they're highly expensive for any brand. Well, I wasn't that highly expensive. They're expensive to me, but for a good discount from this one, I'm happy. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's what it looks like. So I'm definitely playing with the cranberry colors right here, because why not? I thought it was a nice fall to winter or summer to fall look, even though you can play with any color time of the year. Yes. I also got a liquid eyeshadow duo from the Beauty Crop. This one is in Ginger, and this one is in Prosecco. So one is a matte shade and one's a shimmer shade. So I'm just going to show you because I'm not really using this today because I'm going to try it out. This is Ginger, and this is Prosecco. I think it is. And this is like a shimmer. It's nice, like one and done eyeshadow look right here, which I don't mind. I like that, and they blend pretty good. I like that. You can tap it on and what it looks like. Then I also got an eye cream for the eyes for my daytime eye cream, and that's just in here. I'm not going to show it. I got the Beauty Creations Happy Vibes Blush Duo, and I got Arcade and Welcome. These two, I like these kind of, especially if you're going out of town or road trip, whatever you're doing. I think this is like a perfect way to do it. Arcade, I'm just gonna swatch it. Arcade and Welcome. This is not my favorite. This is like my first time of trying out their blushes from Beauty Creations, but these are really good. And then I have the Balm Cosmetics the matte Hughes 6 mini long lasting liquid lipstick. This is in volume 1. I will do a lip swatch video with just using these. So I am using maybe one shade for this look, but I got this. This is volume 1. They do have a volume 2, but I got this one just to try out. Let's get started and let's just try these products out, because why not? Like, so I'm gonna use the Beauty Crop eyeshadow one. So as you can see, I'm just trying these out. So let's go with the Ace Beaute Scarlet Dusk. Like I said, I'm gonna use these shades right here because I just feel like, why not? So like I said, this is my first time ever using this brand, so I do not know how it's gonna perform on my skin, but I've seen a lot of people using this brand a lot, and I'm just like, when I saw this on Ipsy, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna spend money. So hey, why not? So I'm gonna use Lotus. Like, these very nice and pretty shade right here. I really like this shade. I like how it blends. So the next shade I'm going to use is Bahamas. This shade right here. Yeah, I use Lotus. This is Lotus, and this is Bahamas. This is like really pretty. I'm going into the outer corner to buff it, like, I'm gonna put it right here at the edge, and just buff it into the crease. To Lotus to blend that shape up a little bit. Just to blend it into the crease, into here. Like, I really do like this. I think I have to go with this nude color with this. Okay, I'm gonna use Sonora or Sonaria. I'm gonna use this shade right here. Whatever this says. I'm not good with pronunciation, okay? So I'm gonna put this in the outer outer corner, whatever you want to call it. Just to buff that in. I really like these kind of shades on my eyes because it brings up the blue really well. I think it's the purple in it, I guess, or the red. I also use a glitter glue because I think it just helps with the shimmer a lot more. And I am using a new product. This is not from Ipsy. This was given by my friend Christine, Mountain Witch Christine. It's from the Unearthly Cosmetics. I really want to try Unearthly, very much so. It's just another brand that's expensive for my liking. But you know what? It is what it is. So I'm going to use, it's the Glimmer Grasp. I'm just want to try this out because I feel like this was going to work better than the NYX. I like my NYX glitter glue. I think I used too much out. But you know what? It is what it is. You know, it is what it is. So what I like to do is just put it where I will have my crease anyway. It's like a faux cut crease. I'm basing what I'm doing. Looks really good. It's covering up really nicely. The only thing I do have a problem with the NYX glitter, it dries down really quickly, and sometimes you have to work fast. But this one is already getting tacky, which is nice and easy to work with. I'm going to use Aurora. Aurora is this shade right here. Okay, it's going on nice, I guess. Okay. I'm just gonna tap. It's a okay. I like that shimmer. I do like it. Like it nice. It's a nice shade. I like it. I don't know what color. I already like this. You know, you have to really have the brush rub, you know, really pack the brush. You don't have to really dig into it, but I don't like it when, like, I like one sweep and go for it. But so I really do like this. I really like the formula. The formula is really nice. I guess the shimmer can be anything. But I am going to use the same shades, but I think I'm going to go work backwards on this one. And how I said backwards, you want to use the darker shade first, and then work to yourself delight. So we use the dark shade that we use in the outer corner. It just adds that another, it helps with dimension, the dimension and all of that. Like I said, you want to work backwards. So I'm going to use Bahamas. I'm using Lotus just to kind of buff this in a little bit. I'm just lightly just like, wait. Okay, just like that. I don't know what I really do like this eyeshadow palette. Like, it's really pretty. I mean, it's a very pretty. Trying to think if I'm gonna use, yeah, I'm gonna use the Arcade Bullet, the blush on that duo. But I'm gonna put some mascara on. I'm not gonna put any like eyeliner. I just feel like it doesn't need it per se with eyeliner. If you want to, you could. I'm gonna use like that's really pretty. There's such a pretty look. I really like this. So I am going to finish this eye up, and then I'm gonna do the rest of the face. We're gonna put the blush on and then do it that way, and then we're gonna put on the lipstick. I think I know what shade I'm going to use, and I think I'm going to use this nudie shade called Sincere. It has peppermint in it. I already smelled it because I have the same smells. It smells like peppermint. So yeah, so I'll be right back. Okay, I kind of finished the eyes and did my contour. I used a new setting spray because I run out of my CoverGirl Outlast Active setting spray. So I'm using a new product. Actually, I guess you can say all new products here. Beauty Creations Pineapple Setting Spray. Let me tell you something. The spray is fabulous, and the smell smells like pineapple. Oh my gosh, I love it. Definitely have to, basically after I be using that, I need to restock on primers. So that's going to be hopefully like mystery boxes or anything like that I get have setting spray. So that's what I tend to do. So I'm using the Beauty Creations Happy Vibes Blush Duo, and I'm definitely going to use Arcade in this one because might as well, I'm using pink. Might as well use pink because I'm using a highlighter from the Highlight and Contour 1 palette from Profusion. I'm using Heartfelt with that one because of the pinky. But let's see. Oh, this is very pigmented. So okay. Usually I don't go like a really all, you know, that, but this is really nice. I like that. It blends. Definitely pigmented. You just need a dot, and there you go. So I do like that blush. I mean, it's pretty. Definitely that will be like a summer blush for me. But yeah, I am going to do a lip swatch video with using these, so prepare for that. I'll probably use the eyeshadow duo for that for you guys, but I'll do a video and possibly do a short with that. Interesting. But yeah, so I don't mind lip minis because yeah, so we got Charming, Sincere, Committed, Dotting, Dedicated, or Loyal. Like, this is, instead of using a nude, let's go with this one. Nice pinky, and this one is called, this one doesn't have a shade name. Dedicated. I really like this color. The formula of this is quite nice. Like, really is. I like the minty. I don't know, I like the minty part of it. Weird. I really do like this lip product. I really like this shade. I like this shade. Like this stem. Now, I don't know if this is transfer proof or not. I'm gonna let it sit for about a second and see. But yeah, I really do like this look already. Like, okay, what do I feel for the products I've already used in this video? Like I said before, like I said in the beginning, all the products I've used in this video will be linked down below at the description box. So, the Beaute Scarlet Dusk, yes, I do like it. For all the products I've used in this video, I really like all the products I got from Ipsy. I cannot wait to play with this even more. I want to play with more of the oranges. I actually want to play with all of. I want to play with all the shadows. So you'll see a couple of videos with me using this video. You're going to see a couple of videos with me using this palette, but also you will probably see me using this in the live stream. You never know. I really do like that palette. The Beauty Creation Happy Vibes definitely is a summer palette, but I'll say this, I would use this any time of the year. This is very pigmented, but I do love it. It's easy to blend, easy to work with. I said just use a very little bit. It'll go a long way. You don't want to look like, I don't know, too much blush on. There's such thing as too much blush. And of course, the lip product that I got is fabulous. Feels great on the lips. Don't know if it's transfer proof, but we're gonna see. Nope, it is. It's transfer proof. It's transfer proof. I can't speak today for some reason, but I cannot wait to play with these. Like I said before, if you want me to lip swatch these to see how it looks on my lips, please let me know in the comments. But yeah. If you do like this video, make sure to hit the like button so I know you like these kind of videos, me trying out new products. And of course, if you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We are drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody here. Of course, make sure the notification bell so you want to be notified of any new videos I upload. And when I go live every Monday and Wednesdays at 12 p.m. and on Fridays at 9 p.m. along with my friend Christine. I am very excited to get back into making videos. It is time for me to get back into it because I miss you guys. Even though I am doing live streams, it still gets me to be creative and talk about stuff. I don't know, I cannot speak today, but it's okay. But yeah, so I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye!